Are you tired of spending too much on spa chemicals? iONRx offers a cost-effective alternative to traditional spa and hot tub maintenance methods. Save money while enjoying effective water treatment that's designed for easy use and convenient maintenance. With iONRx, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Balance your spa water for pH and alkalinity, ensuring your water is properly balanced and comfortable. 2. Add the appropriate amount of iONRx, following the product instructions for your spa size. 3. Add the appropriate amount of chlorine sanitizer, tablets, granular, or liquid, as recommended for your spa size. Always read and follow all manufacturer instructions, warnings, and safety precautions on both your iONRx bottle and the chlorine product label before use. That's it. Follow these steps weekly as part of your spa maintenance routine. iONRx offers a cost-effective alternative to traditional spa chemical methods. Start saving money with iONRx today.